Kawasaki best motorcycle brands. Whether it's for speed, looks, comfort or thrills, every motorcycle community appreciates a reliable motorcycle. The most reliable motorcycles make you smile longer on the road without giving you or your wallet a headache. So what is the most reliable motorcycle brand out there? Unfortunately, reliability is difficult to judge. Which bike is more reliable? One that can break down but is super easy to fix, or one that runs forever but if it breaks down is a total loss? What is more important for a reliable motorcycle? Ease of maintenance, maintenance intervals or cheap parts. In addition, many weaknesses and strengths only become apparent after decades of use. Older models have earned a reputation for reliability, but new bikes are harder to judge. With that in mind, we will discuss all of these factors below as we rank the most reliable motorcycle brands for new and used motorcycles. Choose the most reliable motorcycle brand. What generally applies to one brand may not apply to every motorcycle they make. Use this list as reliable motorcycle buying advice, but the most reliable motorcycle may vary by model and year. Brands can change over time, and previous owners may have had poor maintenance records on their bikes. All of this can affect whether a particular bike is reliable. As we share our insights into the reliability of these brands, we will also provide their results from the 2015 Consumer Report 2 survey. The score represents the percentage of users who experienced problems with their motorcycle while riding without a maintenance contract within the first 4 years. The lower the number, the better. Kawasaki is just a bit less reliable than its other 3 Japanese counterparts. However, it's still part of the pack and leagues ahead of the rest of the competition. Any Kawasaki is bound to be a reliable motorcycle, but they do have a few popular standouts, like the highly popular and reliable Ninja and KLR models. Taken as a whole, it's safe to consider the big 4 Japanese manufacturers as more or less equal as far as reliability is concerned. Other factors, like price, design, and specific models are the best way for buyers to distinguish between them. As always, do your research on the model and year, as every manufacturer can make mistakes from time to time. Consumer Reports score, 15%. Take care of your motorcycle. It doesn't matter how reliable your bike is, if you treat it badly, it will fail sooner than it should. Careful and loving maintenance gets even the most temperamental machines running. Here are some tips for caring for your motorcycle. 1. RTFM, read the friendly manual, we mean business, get your bike's service manual and familiarize yourself with it. It informs you about service intervals, how to perform most basic and intermediate maintenance tasks, and how to troubleshoot specific problems. 2. Carry out maintenance, knowing the maintenance intervals is half the battle, the other half is keeping them. Unless you're a fat monster, think of it this way, keeping up with simpler motorcycle maintenance tasks keeps you from having to do complicated and expensive repairs on your motorcycle. Oil changes are much easier than replacing a piston. 3. Drive conservatively. This can be a bitter pill to swallow depending on how and why you drive. The smoother you ride, the less wear and tear your bike will experience, especially the engine. Think about your repair bills before you take off at every red light like a drag racer. Conclusion: if motorcycle reliability is important to you, then this list is a good place to start. However, it should only be the beginning. Make sure you research the models you are interested in. Even models known for their reliability can have bad years that you should avoid. Other models may have certain recurring issues, and it's up to you to decide if those issues are enough to put you off. When it comes to new bikes, brand reputation is key. It is rare for a new bike to have so many issues that they are reported in the same year of its release. However, you can speak to your dealer and find out if there are any parts that have been reused from older models. If this is the case, information will likely be available as to whether this part will hold up. Happy hunting!